Yeah, good evening, guys. So today we are going to see update strategy. Okay, the last session and all, many sessions we have seen with all our insert only it will be there. Okay, whatever the transformation you have seen so far, it is related to insert only, but we are not seeing the update concept. Okay, so update is very important. So whatever we have seen last and all, like filter transformation, expression and all. So everything you have seen, the concept of insert. There is no any update and all in that. So today we are going to see update strategy. Update strategy can do the insert and also update also. Okay. So we have to see insert concept and also update concept today. So this is very real-time scenario. So previously we have seen different some part of the job. Okay, the filter will be there. That is a part of the job, and expression part of the job, and aggregation, that is a part of job. Router, that is a part of job. Okay, that is one of the part of the job. Just like any vehicle, it will have a wheel and different parts will be there. No, like that. But the main picture is this only. Update strategy, in that we have SCD concept. Okay, SCD means slowly changing dimension. That is a very important and real-time concept. Okay, so without SCD, we cannot perform any real-time scenario of upload the loading the record or incremental load or whatever we say, the real time we are getting the load and it is moving to the target. So everything we apply through the update concept only. Okay, so today we are going to see update, that is updating the data to the target table. Updating the data to the target table, how it is. So updating the data target to the table means, okay, certain whatever we get from the source, we have to update to the target. Insert means first time we will insert, and later some changes will come in the data, in the same data. At that time we have to do the update. That is called update. Okay. By using this update strategy, we can apply some important functions that I have mentioned here. See this DD insert, DD update, DD delete, DD reject. Okay. So DD insert or 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 means DD insert equal, that is equal to 0. Even you can put 0 or you can mention as DD insert also in the update strategy. The same function it will come. DD update, instead of mentioning as update, DD update, you can mention as 1 also. Instead of DD delete, you can mention as 2. Instead of DD reject, you can mention as 3. Okay. So that is what this is equal to this one. DD insert means 0. DD update means 1, 2, 3. You can write DD reject and also we can write as 3. Any one we can do. Okay. Usually we don't use these two functions in real time. These two functions, the usage is very less. The DD delete and the DD reject usage is very less. Even if you do also, the delete means we are not going to delete, so we will make it as inactive. The data will become inactive. That is what delete. Okay, reject means we don't do any action on that. We don't do anything on that. So that is called reject. For that, there is no any changes we are going to do. That is what 3. Okay, DD reject. So DD means, what is the DD? DD means data driven. DD means data driven. For doing any update, we must have a primary key. Primary key is very important in the target table. Without primary key, update strategy cannot update the data to the target table. Primary key is mandatory in the target table. Okay. So usually, but we more use this function. The DD insert and DD update we use more actually. Okay. This DD insert and DD update is a daily routine job, that is. Okay. Every day we'll get some data, we will do the insert. Some data it will come in the update, we will do the update. That is what update. DD insert and update is very, very important. That is a routine, daily routine job. So assume this, we can compare this update to the SQL. We have seen no SQL. In SQL, we have seen 5 different languages. In that, DML can be compared with this one. Okay, in the DML, we are having insert, update, delete, merge. No? The same concept we are going to do with update strategy. This one. Okay, this DML, insert, update, delete, merge. So this function we can do with the support of SQL also. But in the transformation, if you see, we have to use the update strategy transformation. So that is what we can compare with DML, right? Some SCD types is there. You might heard actually already. Okay. So far you have attended some 25 sessions, I think now. So you must have seen somewhere like SCD type, right? Have you seen, Naresh, somewhere SCD type? Have you heard this?
Yes, sir, I saw in resume.
Yeah, in resume you have seen. Very nice. Yeah. So what is SCD? What is your understanding as of now?
No idea, sir.
Yeah. Okay. SCD means we have different type of SCD. So SCD 0 is there, SCD 1 is there, 2, 3, 4, 5 also is there, 6 also is there. Okay. So this is what SCD. SCD means slowly changing dimension. Slowly changing dimension. So we will see one by one. What is SCD1? What is 0? Also we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. But we will focus more on the SCD1, SCD2, and SCD3 because that is very, very real-time scenario. That is what we are using more and more. Okay. So we are not going to care more about this 4 or 6 or 5 also, or even 0 also. 0 means SCD0. SCD0 means, for example, some updates I don't want to do that update itself. For example, for example, we use some fax and all, no fax number, pager number and all. That is not in the current scenario we are using, right? The fax and all we are not using. Nowadays we are using only, we came to mail and everything we are doing with mail only. And also we focus more with WhatsApp, so many things we are upgraded, right? So we are not worrying about the fax number, some old version and all that and all. So even if you are using also, you don't want to update that in the database. The customer don't want to update that number, whatever the fax number and all. He's not bothering about that. Because in real time, we are not using much there, right? So that there is no any changes we are doing. No changes we are doing. No changes we are performing. That is in the database, I am not going to update that. That is what SCD0. SCD1. SCD1 means yes, you will update. Yes, for example, my location is changed now. Currently, I am in Bangalore. I moved to location. I moved to Pune. Okay. So from Bangalore to Pune, I moved. So that the company has to, the employees location, they should update in their database. The current employees, the particular employees, he located from Bangalore to Pune now. So yes. So SCD1. SCD1 means yes. Yes, we will update. But But in SCD1, we don't maintain the past history. Okay, maintain the past history. Past history means now I change it to Bangalore to Pune, but before Pune I was in Bangalore. No, that detail I cannot get. Okay, that detail I cannot get. That previous history I cannot get. If you change the mobile number, yes, you can update your new number, but your previous number, it will not be there in the database. So that is called SCD1. Okay, the past history you will not get. That may be anything. Okay, location, mobile number, or any name. Name, usually there will be no changes. Some rare cases they will do some changes in their name also. That is very rare. So, but most probably we will be changing the mobile number and all, location and all, address. Yeah, address is location. Yeah, and some details and all they want to maintain. Okay, the previous past history will not be there. That is the difference. SCD2 means yes, history will be there. Yes, history we can maintain. History we can maintain. Okay, with whatever the, if you change even some 5 to 10 times also your location, all the details you can able to get. That is what SCD2. Okay, in the SCD2, the row wise it will change actually. Okay, row wise means, let me show here. So let me show you what is that. Suppose this Rishab, he is changed his location. We already inserted, just assume this one, and he changed it from India to US. Okay, US he changed it. Yes, you are here, you can mention as US. Okay, it is updated. Now the previous Bangalore is there, no? That India, from India to USA, that will be maintained in a separate row here. One more row it will be maintained. Again, if you change, yes, from US to somewhere like some other country, Canada, okay, the previous record will be maintained like this. Okay, but here we will maintain one column. What is that? Active, or we can mention we have different version per version method, flag method, date method and all. If it is date method, we will mention the date here. Okay, date means updated date, effective date. That I will tell you in the SCD2. Okay, but just understand, SCD2 means we can maintain the previous past history also. It's a simple understanding. Okay, SCD3 means, yeah, we will have the past history also. This one is a row wise is there, no? Row wise. We are maintaining in the row wise. But this one, yes, history maintained, but this is in the column level. Okay, but we are not going to maintain much with even in this also. Okay, but in the real time we use more SCD2 only. Okay, SCD type 2 only we are going to use. This one is column level we are maintaining. Column level. For example, I will show you here how it is. Column level means first, for example, your mobile number is changed, right? What you will do, you can insert a column here, the same column. That is mobile number, no? Yeah. First of all, from year to year. Yeah. So the past mobile number I am going to maintain here. The previous number will be maintained here. Like this, we can maintain for other columns also. If it is email ID is changed, then I can update a column here, email ID. You can mention your previous mail ID here, and you can update your latest and current email ID here. This is what. Understood, right? This concept wise, are you clear with this?
Sir, concept aಗಿದೆ.
Okay, yeah. So this is what. Okay. Simple summary. SCD0 means no changes. We are going to do anything. Okay. SCD1 means yes, we will do update, but we are not going to maintain the whole history. Whatever is the past history, only the latest will be there. Okay. Latest also the current will be there. That's all. The current history, current update will be there. The previous update will not be there. That is SCD1. SCD2, this question definitely they are asking in all the interviews so that you understand the concept and explain them very clearly. SCD2 means yes, history will be maintained. That is in the row wise, we will maintain the whole history, even if it is 5 or 10 times, whatever the changes is happened, all the history you can get. That is what SCD type 2. SCD type 3 means the past history you can get. Okay, you are not going to get the whole history like this. That is in the column level. This is in the row level. Okay, row level you will get this. Row level it is updating. That is, we are having different methods also. Flag method, date method, and all. That and all you will come to know now one by one. Okay. So this is what SCD 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5, 6, and all. It is similar to this only. We will discuss in the later also. This is very, very important, but note it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay. These all are some combining of these options only. Okay. SCD 1, 2, this 4, 5, 6, and all. It is almost combining to this, but that is not the real-time scenarios. We are not going to use much. Real-time scenario, we are going to use 1 also we are using, 2 also we are using 3 also we are using. But within this, SCD type 2 is most used in the real time. Okay. SCD type is most used always. Okay, fine. So, hope you understood clearly now, right? Now, we'll come to a scenario like, yes, assume that this is my source table. This is my target table. Here, I'm getting some records 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. I'm getting the records. Okay. So, this is my target table. I want to see that whether same record is there is available in the table or not, in the target table or not. Okay. Target, right? The target, I want to compare whether it is available or not in the target table. So how I can do that? How I can do that is, for example, yesterday I got some 1,000 records. Yeah, yesterday I got some 1,000 records. Okay. Then what I did, I inserted all the 1,000 here. Okay. Yesterday I got some 1,000 records. I inserted all the 1,000 here. Today I am getting some 100 records. Okay. Today also I am getting the 100 records. 100 records I'm going to get. So without duplicating, I don't want to update the same record, or it should not become duplicate. Okay. For that, I have to compare, right? I have to do the comparison. Whether the same record, without any duplicate, it has to move. For that, we must have the primary key in the, target table. Then only you can do the primary key is important in This we are using student table. The student table, student ID will be the primary key. Student ID will be the primary key. Student table. Okay. This is also student target table. Here the primary key will be maintained in the target table. Then only we can do the update. Without primary key, we cannot do the update by using the update strategy. Okay. So how I can do the comparison? Last time we have used lookup, right? So lookup we have used in the last session and all for joining purpose we have used. So for left outer join or we have used for what to say, for joining the two tables or three tables we have used. We have used for unconnected, we have used for connected and all. That purpose we have used lookup. Here we are going to use to compare the target. In the previous and all we have used to compare with the source only. So last time also I told the lookup we can compare from anywhere, from the target side, from import, external and also source, wherever it may be. So lookup can be compared with the target table in the SCD. So this lookup, this is called lookup. This lookup will compare whether this is, it will check, for example, this number one record is coming. It will check whether the same record is there here or not. If it is null, okay, if it is null, here if the same record is null, then it will do the insert. Okay. Same record, the number one record is there, no? The same record, it will see the same name or same record, it can able to check whether the same record is there because it has different columns. Each and every column it will check. So it will check and it will confirm, yes, it is not there here. Then it will do the insert. If it is there, it will not do anything. Okay. If any changes is coming in the number one record, this number one record, okay, if any changes is coming, that is a mobile number or something is changed, then it will try to update. That is what update. Okay. So it will check whether if it is null, it will do the insert. If it is, it will support to update. Also, if any changes is there. So that is what comparison. That is what this lookup we are going to use here. Update strategy, without update strategy, can you able to update? Yeah, you can say yes, I can able to update, but without using update strategy, I can use in the session level, I can mention update. That I will one by one it will come. Just you want to note that interview questions also in between we'll see that also. We will use the override query in the session level to update, like that you can say in the interview. So by using these methods of SCD, we can update the data. So what is SCD? SCD means slowly changing dimension. Why it is called as slowly changing dimension? Any idea? Why it is called as slowly changing dimension? No idea, right? Yeah.
No, sir.
Yeah. Slowly changing dimension means, so first of all, this dimension means what? We have to understand. Dimension means we have different dimension tables. We have seen, right? We have seen employees table. We have seen location table. In interview, they will ask, can you tell some dimension table in your project? They will ask like this. At the time, you can say, yeah, we are using product table. We are having, okay, product table. We are having, and we are also having employees. Also, we are having, okay, and we are having location table. Okay, we are having country table. We are having student table. Okay. So multiple merchant. So many in real time. So many dimension table is there. Usually we will say it as In some companies, they will say like product dim, like that they will say, okay? Product dim, location dim, or they will say in reverse order also, dim product, dim employees, dim location, dim country, product dim, different way in different scenario they will take, say, but the same, both are same only. Product dim product, location dim or dim location, anything you can say, okay? So this is what you can say. You can user, department, country, user also most of the times it will come, okay? Can use it as user also. So these all are called dimension table. Dimension table, why we are saying as dimension, means a customer or a data we can see in different dimensions. That is why we are calling it as dimension. We are seeing in the dimension of location, we are seeing in the location of the customer name, everything is a different dimension, right? So the customer details, everything is a different dimension. That is why we are calling it as dimension. And then SCD means slowly changing dimension. Why we are calling it as slowly changing dimension means these dimensions, these updates and all, it will change very slowly only, okay? The same day, we are not going to change multiple phone numbers. We are not going to change the location. We are not going to change any changes. It is going to be happen. It's very slow only, okay? So any changes, like even some cases is there, okay? Some cases like that we are not using actually. SCD only we are going to use in the Informatica, okay? Fast changing and all is there actually, but that is not there in our scenario in Informatica. Most of the cases it will be SCD only. So that is why we are calling it as SCD. Why we are calling as SCD? The dimension, the data will be changing. The attributes will change very slow only. That is why we are calling it as slowly changing dimension. So all this dimension table will have a primary key. Please note, all this dimension key, it will have a primary key. Everything it will have a separate primary key. Then only it is a separate dimension table, okay? So while loading, we'll have different loads here. Load means like we will have daily loads will be there, hourly load will be there, okay? Or weekly load will be there, monthly, quarterly, everything is there, okay? Half quarterly, some loads, it will be very rarely we are loading, that also will be there. So most of the cases we are having daily load will be more actually in different projects. Daily, today I will get some data, tomorrow I will be uploading, I will get a mail tomorrow. If you go to the office tomorrow, you will have a mail, they will have a mail, they will say these loads you want to do, okay? That is also is there, but in different scenario they will give even hourly also, okay? Frequently you can keep on upload the data from the source to target. That also, it depends on the project, it will vary, okay? In different projects it will be vary. Okay, I'll remove all this. Just I will remove, yeah, I will just first time when I get the record, assume that this is your OLTP and this is your OLEP. I'll share this document also for you so that you can create a table like this, similar table, okay? So here I given the create table query also, okay? Create table S_student update, T_student update. The same record I will give. You can also update and you can also do the practice, okay? So the thing is here I given the primary key. You can also create by yourself by using a primary key, and it's a simple concept. That's why I just created like this. It will be very easy for you to practice the SCD. You can practice SCD 1, 2, 3 everything in this by keeping this only, okay? So that is what. So just I will remove everything here. for the first time, I'm getting the record. Now, for the first time, it will be everything is false only here. We will have two columns like this: insert flag and the update flag. The insert flag, everything will be false first. The update flag also, it will be false only. Okay. If you can see the concept here, if it's null of student ID 1 true or false, otherwise false. Okay. Okay. By seeing this, you can able to understand, right? If it's null of student ID 1, this is student ID 1. Okay. This is student ID. Okay. If it's null of student ID 1, it will check with the primary key. This will go and check it here. Okay. If it is null, it will true. True means insert. False means it will not insert. That's all. This is called DD insert. Okay. For the first time, I am just for the first time, it is null. It is going to insert. Everything is inserted here. Okay. So this is for the first time. Next, yesterday I got this. Assume that yesterday I did this job. Today I am checking. Today there is no any changes. So it will be as it is, false only. Yeah. So once it is inserted, both become false. There is no any action now. Both become false. It is looking for the next action, whether it is to be inserted or updated. Okay. So until that, all these will be in the false only. So tomorrow what's happening? Okay. Now there is change in the source table, like some change we are doing. Here the mobile number changed. This person, what he did, Deva, is okay. He changed from Pune to Bangalore tomorrow. You completely inserting, that will go to the insert. If you are updating any particular attribute, any particular data, then it will be updated here. Pune will become Bangalore. At the time, what happens? Here it will become true. It will be true. It will wait. It is seeing some changes. Then it will become true. Then it will do the changes here also. That will upload. That will do the update from source to target. This is called true. Here there is no any changes because it is not inserting. It is updating. It is not freshly inserting. It is updating, so that it is called as update flag. Here it is become, if some more changes also similarly. Now one more record is adding now, 106. Yeah, 106. Something we can take sonu@gmail.com. Any phone number you can keep. 23234556. Some changes. Okay. Then you can mention anything. Yeah. Now what happens? Currently, what happens? It is the system is checking. The insert flag is checking. Yes, it is. There is a new record is coming. Then it will be inserted. It will be inserted to the target table. Then what happens? Here, when it is true, at the time it will be false. Here it is become true. It is become true here. Then it is false, obviously. Okay. Any one thing will happen. So this is what. Hope this concept is clear. Any doubt is there in the concept? We can go to the practical now.
Yes, sir.
So we will create a mapping now. What is that? mapping update strategy. Update strategy. SCD1. Today we are going to see only SCD1. Okay. How we can do that? Yeah. Okay, I will import, no issue. SCD student update. And similarly, target also. SCD student update. Both I will take inside. Then I will create the mapping. Okay, I will take my source here. Then I will take the target also here, as usual. Okay. So as I already told, I want to take a lookup here. Okay. Because without the support of lookup, we cannot do the comparison between the source and the target. Okay. For that, I will take the lookup. Lookup where I want to do that. This table I want to do T underscore student update. The target table I want to do the update to do the lookup. The last time and all we have done with source, right? This time we are going to do with the target table, this target table. Okay. Which one I want to do the lookup? This target table. Right? Now, what I want to do? Previously also we have done, when we take the lookup, you have to take the common column, right? This is what the common column. Okay. By using this student ID, this is the primary key, right? Here you can see primary key. So that I can take this and place it here. Okay. Then I can take a expression transmission here. Okay. I can make it as common also here. That is also very important. We may forget sometimes and the session will get failed. Okay. Very carefully you should make it. You should give the condition here properly. Student ID and student ID1 should be equal. Don't forget. Then we will place a expression transmission. Expression. Here, from here to here, I will connect everything to this. Not only this, okay, you want to take this also. Everything you want to connect to this here. Then only want to do that. Okay, just a moment. Take all this and you connect to below this expression. It is converting as the same columns is converting as SCD1, SCD student 1, student name 1, like that. Okay, same columns only. It is changing as student ID. It is changing as student ID1. Similarly, it is changing as 111 like that. Okay. Now you can add the two flags. Whatever we done previously, we have to do now only. Okay. Country, student ID1. This cannot be connected. Okay. This we don't want to connect. SC, this is a common column, right? This is supposed to be not connected. Disconnected. Okay. Only these main columns we have to get it. Okay. Student ID to country. Student ID1 to country 1. Okay. Now you can add two columns here, like insert flag and update flag. Make it as 50. Remove this input, okay, so that you can able to write the logic here. Yeah. Now, if then else logic, you can write this. Okay. What is the if then else logic? If is null of, if is null of, what is that? This column SCD1, student ID 1. This is your source. This is your lookup. From the lookup, it is coming, no, that one. So student ID 1. In some cases, they will write it as lookup also here. That is not mandatory. Okay. We can make it as lookup student ID 1 for everything. That is not mandatory. You can able to see the difference, no? Student ID 1. Student name 1, like that. There is no need to mention separately here. Okay. So that I left as it is. In real time, they will, sometimes they will change it. They will make it as LKP student ID 1, LKP student name, like that also they will do. That is not mandatory. Okay. If is null of student ID 1, then true. Otherwise, false. If it is null here, then it will do the insert. Otherwise, it will not do anything. That's what. False. It will not do any action. Now it will validate. Okay. So this is the condition you are going to do in the insert flag. Then here what you can do is, here we have some lengthy, like if student ID is equal to student ID 1 and one by one you have to add everything. If both are equal, if any one of these things is not equal, that is the concept. Then you do the insert. If it is same, otherwise you don't want to do the update. For update, we have to write like this. How we have to write? If student ID is equal to student ID 1, if this is equal to, these both are equal. But other things and all, if it is not equal, and student name, you can mention student. If you mention like this, it is not, you know, right? Already. If you mention this one, then it is not. This is not equal. Suppose this is student name not equal to student name 1, or why we are mentioning any one. If any one is changing, then you do the insert update like that. Email ID not equal to this email ID 1, or next mobile number not equal to this mobile number 1, or city not equal to this city, or country not equal to this country 1. Then it is true or else false. That's all. Then it is true or else false.
Yes, sir. That is only student ID is equal to student ID. All other things should not match.
If it is not matching, you do the update.
Okay.
True. If it is matching, false. You are not updating. That's all simple.
Okay. Okay.
Validate. That's all. It seems to be like some big query. That is not like that. Very, very simple only. Then apply. Okay. Now we are going to separate both insert and update by using a router transformation, by creating two groups as insert and update. Okay. So I will take a router here. Just a minute. If the mapping is keep on elongating or big, you can do one thing. Okay, you can go and click here. You will get lot of spaces. Okay. I think I not told previously, so I'm just telling now. This source and all, it will be hidden if you touch here. If you click here, you will get a lot of space, and also you can click here also, so that whatever is there in the bottom, it will be hidden. Okay, here if you click, so that you can able to easily work. Okay. Now I will place I got a lot of space here. Now I can place the router very easily. Just take this router here. So router we previously used. What is the function of router? Anyone remember with router? What it will do, router? Forgotten, huh? So router will do filter option multiple for different groups. Okay. It is like a filter only, but it can have different groups. It can able to take multiple groups in the output by taking single input. It will give multiple output. That is what router. So we are going to take two outputs here. That is insert and update. Two outputs we are going to take. Okay. So router, I will connect this to router. Why means to know the source record should go for insert or update. We are separating these two groups. That is what. Now connect source record from expression to router. This only. Just connect from country to student ID. Whatever is there, everything you just connect to this one. And then you take this insert flag and update flag to router. Once if you done, then you want to create the group into that. Just double click on this, go to groups, add two groups. What is that? Insert and update, same. Then just click on this, go to the port, insert flag, same. Remove this true, mention this one, insert flag, validate, and okay. And go to this one, go to update flag. No. So update flag, you can do the validate. Yeah. So after validated, you can okay, apply, okay. Now once if you created the group, you can see the group here, right? This is the input. You are giving the input, you are taking the output here. Okay. Insert and update. You can see the output here. Two outputs you are able to see. Whenever you create any groups, there is a other group will create in the name of default. You know already. Student. Just to connect this here. Okay. Now, just to copy this. Copy. Control V. You have got T underscore student update 1. Okay. This is one more same only. It is mentioned. The difference is T underscore student update, T underscore student update 1. This is the difference. Okay. This is already I've created and kept. Okay. So you can also create like this. So this one update. This update I cannot connect directly to the target. Here I want to place the update strategy. Here only the update strategy transformation is coming to the picture. Okay. Because update strategy can do the update. Insert we can send directly from the router transmission. Router transmission it will filter out and change it, send it to the target table. But update we have to connect through a update strategy only. Yes, take a update strategy. This is what update strategy. Take this and place it here. Then connect the input to the update strategy. Then double click on this properties. In the properties, we have already seen, right? Here, DD insert 0, DD update 1. Update means 1. You can mention 1 or DD update. Okay. To delete for insert, we have to mention as 0. Currently, it is in 0. Currently, it is in 0. Default, it will be in 0. I want to change it to DD update. You can give now. DD update. You can also mention as 1 also. I am giving as DD update here. Validate. Apply. Okay. Then directly you can connect to the target. Okay. Are you feeling anything like complication? Easy only, right? You connected everything to the target. So, are you clear with this? That's all. Let me control save. This is the development. As a developer in real time, you will do all these functions. You will do all these things. Okay. You will create all these mappings. Control save. It is valid. Okay. It should be valid. If any mistake is there in this, it will not make valid. Most probably sometimes we will forget to give the common here. There's condition we have to give. That is also sometimes some mistakes, it will happen. So that should not happen. So in the insert flag, we have to give the same insert flag only here also. So just understand, if you try once or twice, you can able to do this mapping very easily. Okay. Then I will create the workflow now. Workflow. I will create the workflow. WF update strategy. Strategy SCD1. Then I will take this only, right? Yeah. Then link task. Mapping. Just we will have 2 targets here. We want to connect separately for this. Okay. Source to source, target to target. Number 1 target. Number 2 target also can connect separately. And this lookup. This lookup you want to connect to the use object, to the target, right? You want to connect to the target, expression, router, update. There is no any changes. Apply, okay. Control save. But note in the workflow, you should not give truncate target. Here we generally be given everything, no? Truncate target. That should not be done here. For SCD, we should not tick on this. Truncate target should not be done because this is incremental load. Okay. For any SCD cases, you should not give truncate target table here.
Okay, sir. Okay.
See, here you can go to HR. In the HR I did what I did? Truncate I did, correct? Once if you do the truncate, if you go and see here in the target tables, all the tables you can able to open the target separately. Okay. The tables you can able to see separately like this. Okay, whatever the tables.
Okay.
You can able to see here. Okay. Student update means you can able to see the student update. Student means if you click on student ID will open here. See, for example, see this one, right? This is our student table. That is with some 3000 record.
Yes.
3206 record is there. Okay. So you can do the edit here also directly. Okay. You want to do some changes, you can do the changes here. You want TTT something. After did the change, you want to give commit here.
Yes.
Okay. For example, I will change this record like this. I will make it as Naresh here or whatever. Okay. Just I will give if I give the commit here, it will get committed. It will be stored. That is a permanent in the source. Okay. Just understand this concept. Okay. Similarly, I am opening this also. I don't want to do them. Okay. This table is currently, there is no any record, only column is there. Okay. This T and S underscore student update is a separate one. We have done only for this SCD concept. Okay. It is having only some 5 record. Okay. This table I want to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 record. Okay. So I have taken this record and I will insert here directly. I can directly paste here, copy paste. 104 it is happened. Yeah, 105 also is there, right? Yeah. Sorry. Can add one more row. One more row. Just everything you can remove once. Just commit. You add 5 columns here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It becomes 6. Okay, anyway, no problem. Okay, now you can do the commit.
Okay.
Now you can check here in the HR. Select star from. You will see all the records here. Whatever you inserted now. Okay. Able to see here? Same record.
Okay.
Whatever you inserted, you can able to see here.
Sir. Yes.
So if you do any changes here, that also you can able to see here. You can do the changes also. If you want to do any change, you want to change his name. Yeah, you change it and you give commit here. It will be committed. Okay. So that is how we were changing.
Okay.
So this is what your source now. What I want to do, I want to load this to the target. This is my source. You have created your source. Okay. Now I want to load this to the target. So in the target, if you see, as of now, there is no any record. The target, there is no any record as of now in the target. T underscore student update. Okay. There is no any record in the target as of now. After loaded, what is going to be happen? You see. Okay. So how it is working insert, when it is working as an insert, when it is working as update, everything you can see the changes now. Okay. So as of now, we have record in the source. For the first time, I will run this session. This SCD, I will give the run. Yes. Start workflow. Just see what is happening here. It is running. Okay, what happened now? 660. Okay, that means what? 6 is the source. 6 is the insert.
Number of records.
Yeah. 6 numbers is inserted, but 0 updated. There is no any update done as of now, correct?
Yes, yes.
See, you can see that also. The changes. How many record is there? 6 record you receive, 5 record you receive. Okay. Whatever is there in the source, you got in the. This is the insert option. Okay. Now, what I will do some changes in the source. I will do some changes. What are the changes? Now you have seen the insert. You will see the update also. Okay. Now you have 5 records. Okay. I will do something. Naresh. Okay. Naresh, I will change the number, phone number, something like, what is that? 123 123 123 1. Okay. Then if I want, I can change anything, even Delhi, everything. As of now, I change only phone number. Okay. This one change, it is come. Okay. Then I will add one record also. This is update. I will add one record also. Let us one by one we will go. Only we will see the update, whether it is update is working or not now. Okay. Then you want to commit here. If you do some changes, you want to do the commit here. Please practice everything. There is a lot of logics. Please practice. If you practice, you will become expert. Then I will give the start workflow once again. We'll see what happened. What are the changes happen now? So what happened now? Can you explain what happened now? How many records updated? How many records inserted?
One.
How many records inserted?
One.
Inserted.
Record, only one update.
Yeah, what is this? This is insert, this is update,
That is
correct?
inserted.
Yeah.
Only one updated, no inserted.
Exactly. Okay, one number, one record is updated. 0 inserted because there is no any new record. Okay. So only one updated. Yes. Then now what I will do, I will add one column here. I will add one record here, 106. Okay. Now I will give Sonu at Gmail or something. Okay. Then I will give phone number 34343434. 34. Yeah. Okay. None. You can give Mysuru. Okay. Then India. Okay. Then you can commit now. You can commit. After committed, every time whatever you do changes, it will write automatically the insert query, insert into HR, everything. Okay.
Yes, I training game.
Okay. Now I will start workflow. Then you can see the changes, what is going to be happen. What happened now? What happened now?
One row inserted.
One number inserted, one record inserted. Okay. So this is how record and update will do the changes. You can see the number of record also here also. Select star from T underscore student update. How many records is there now? 6 record is there. Whatever you do the changes, no, that also you can see here. Okay.
7.
6 records or
7
record. Okay, 7 record. Whatever you are updated, no, that update also is there here. Okay. In between, yes. Whatever the changes you have done, you have made some changes in this, no, this phone number that also updated. Okay. So this is what insert and update logic of SCD. So this is the SCD1 concept.
Yes, yes.
In this SCD1 concept, We don't have the previous record. Please note very carefully. What is not there in this?
Previous record.
See, we have taken everything from the OLTP to the OLAP. From the source to the target. You have updated the phone number. You do the update here, it is updated. What about the previous phone number? It is there or not in this? Previous mobile number is not there, correct?
Yes, yes.
So this concept is using very less only in the market. Sometime they will say, okay, you do SCD1 for this particular record. Most of the 80% they will not use SCD1, they will use SCD2 only. SCD2, how they are using is, they will maintain one more record here. Okay. One more record, they will add this record once again here. Then they will mention it as this is active, yes, and this is no, B, this one. Okay. So this is currently working like that. Okay. Or in the date method, they will mention the effective date and updated date like that. They will have it 2 columns here. They will add it 2 columns here, effective date and updated date like that. Okay. So this is what SCD1. Any doubt is there in this? Hemant, any doubt?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Clear ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Yes sir.
Sir, video ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ?
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay.
ಸರಿ.
Okay. So this is what. So in this update strategy, when any record is rejected, that record will be moved to the next transmission and will be. ಹೀಗೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್, ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಎ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಆರ್ without primary key? Yeah, that is possible. You want to answer that? Yes, possible. I want to do this same function in the session level also. See, here you can see this. You can see, no? Update as update, update else insert, delete. Okay. Update else insert, update as insert, update as update. So by using this function, we can do the update also. Without using update strategy also, we can do the update. Without the primary key in the target table, that also possible. So this is the way. Okay. But in real time, they will use this concept more and more. But without this also, we can do that. That is what in the interview we want to tell this question. Definitely they will ask this question. Can you able to update without update strategy? Can you able to update without the primary key in the target? Yeah, I can do. I can write the override query in the session level, or I can use this update as insert. That also I can do. By using these functions, I can able to do. You want to tell that. Okay. So this is what the interview scenario. Okay. So as of now, we completed SCD1. Okay. Do you have the patience to attend the one more session now? Union transformation? Or we'll go tomorrow?
Tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow. Okay, I'll share this video. Please practice this. It seems to be like very complicated, but this is very, very easy only. Okay. So this concept, insert and update. This is the very real-time scenario, real-time concept. If you do this, you can say that you are already become a Informatica ETL developer. Okay. Because definitely you have to mention all these concepts in the most of the interview. They will ask, can you explain SCD1? Then you want to say, yes, sir, I can able to explain. I can have a source here. To compare the source on target, I will use a lookup. Then to write the insert and update logic, I will have a expression. Then to separate from the insert and update, I will use a router. From the router, I will take the output from the insert to the target. From there, I will use a update strategy transformation. From the update strategy transformation, I will give to the one more target. If you explain like this, they will some cross question it will be there. You want to mention. Okay. So in this, what about this default? Any idea about this? What is default? Why this default is there in the router? Any idea? Any unsatisfied record, it will come to the default. Okay. Definitely they will ask in the interview also. What is default function in the router? Okay. Any unsatisfied record, any satisfied record, it will go to this condition. Satisfied record will go. If anything is not satisfied, it will come to the default. Okay. If for example, you are asking only Bangalore people and all in this group, you are calling Pune people and all in this. What about the remaining? The Chennai people, the Delhi people, they will all come to this default. Okay. Okay, guys, shall I stop here? Clear, Allah?
Sir.
What is default? They will ask in the interview. Any unsatisfied record, it will come to the default. Satisfied record, it will go to the group. What is the group? Here in the case, insert and update is the group. You can create any group. I want to take only particular location, Bangalore. This is Pune. Remaining Delhi, Chennai, it will come to here. If you want, you can take
default.
Yeah, if you want, you can take a one more target table and you can use it. If you don't want, use this one, you can use it. Okay, this is what a router. So just we have used only many transformation in this lookup, expression, router, and update. If you use this, all the functions you can able to understand one by one. Okay, so I will share this video so that you can practice. I will give some exercises also. If you are not able to solve, please call me. I will solve it and give you. I will give the idea. I have given the hint also how to solve that. I will share that. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.